Hi there, and greetings from Caldwell University. Merry Christmas. My name is Sister Kathleen Toot, and I'm the Vice President for Student Life.
Hi, and I'm Kevin Boyle, Vice President for Development and Alumni Affairs. We're really glad that you could be with us today.
We're working on a collaborative project together, and it's become a bit of a challenge.
You know, Sister Kathleen, I always wanted to go to culinary school, and I actually applied to the Cordon Bleu in Paris.
And what happened, Kevin?
Well, they asked me to send a sample. Some of my cookies are ready right now. I'll get them.
Okay, looking forward to it.
Well, it looks like I burnt a few, but some of them came out just right.
Well, there's our challenge. He should stick with what he knows best, dough raising. Kevin, come on over here. Let's work on this together and see what we could do. Maybe we can help with those skills to get you back in school.
Thank you. That'd be terrific.
So, we flour the dough a bit. We caress the dough. We caress the flour into the dough, and then we take the cookie cutter. Okay? We cut the cookie, and then we simply bake it, place it onto the cookie tray, and we have to watch the timing of our cookies.
What am I supposed to do with this?
We rolled out the dough already,
Oh.
Kevin. I think the cookies we made are ready, Kevin.
Well, that's great, but you know, before we take them out, I'd just like to say that our baking project today is all about you. It's a way for us to show our gratitude to our alumni, our friends and supporters who helped Caldwell University and our students get through this semester, and we're very confident about next semester as well. We couldn't have done it without you. And so today we'd simply like to share these cookies with you as a way of expressing our gratitude. Have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year.
Thank you all for supporting our Caldwell University students. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and may God bless you all.
Everyone.